Hi, my name is Frank Teske. I work at a MarineMax Brick. I'm here to walk you through our 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Come on board. In the swim platform, you have a nice integrated swim ladder climbing up through. This boat has a bimini top, but you can also get an optional sports tower. In the engine compartment, you have a Merc Cruiser 4.5 liter 200 horsepower motor. This boat has the dune colored interior. It is also equipped with the lounge instead of the co-captain's chair. At the helm, you have 3 nice tacks on your dashboard with a depth finder. Also is equipped with Fusion stereo. You have 4 Fusion speakers on board. This boat also has the infinity woven carpet. Moving to the bow has 2 nice lounge chairs with navigation and 2 stainless steel cleats. For more info on this boat or any boat that we offer, please visit us at MarineMax Brick or online at marinemax.com. Thank you for your time.